Welcome back to my YouTube channel Unlock Your Learning. Friends, in this video we are going to solve worksheet 15, subject mathematics, class 6. Here you need to write your name and here your class teacher's name, date 26 August 2021. Okay, so topic of this worksheet is subtraction of integers. Okay, so today we are going to be studying about subtraction of integers. So introduction, as we know subtraction means take away, as you can read over here. As we know subtraction means take away. In positive integers we have to subtract in the same way we do with the whole numbers, but in some cases where take away is not possible we use additive inverse of that integer in it. Okay, so this is trying to do subtraction means take away. So when we have to subtract positive integers we simply subtract them like the whole numbers, but in some cases like the negative integers we use additive inverse because in that it is not possible to take away. Okay, so additive inverse over here you can see in some cases what it is. What does additive inverse mean? Additive inverse means the pair of integers we added, the result we get 0. So examples are minus 6 plus 6. Okay, now what you see here is we have first number minus 6 over here and then we have second number plus 6. So what you see that we have reversed this. What? Because minus 6 then it has turned to plus 6. So that gave us what? A 0 if we will solve that. Then here plus 7 plus minus 7 is equal to 0. So plus 7 is here. Now you oppose that to minus 7. So plus 7 plus minus 7, that is 0 if you solve it. So as you can see plus minus is what? Minus, and plus 7 minus 7 have different signs. So you subtract them and we get 0, and there is no need to put sign with 0. Now tell what is the additive inverse of minus 9. So minus 9's additive inverse will be what? Plus 9. So we have changed the sign from minus to plus and the number is the same. Okay, then what we have here is subtraction of integers using the number line. Okay, so let us see case 1 here. Subtraction of two positive integers. Okay, so when we have to subtract two positive integers, what we do? Plus 4 minus plus 5. Okay, so what we do here is first number is as it is plus 4. Okay, now to find the additive inverse of plus 5, you see we have minus sign here and plus sign here. So plus minus is minus. So additive inverse of plus 5 will be minus 5. Now both of them have different signs. So we will subtract them. So we get 1 and put sign of greater number 5 minus. So minus 1 is the answer. And you can even see here onto this number line. How has he done this? See. So he has moved 4 steps from 0 first. So they have moved 4 steps from 0 first. As you can see, they have added 4 steps in a 0. So what they landed at? They landed at plus 4. Then they have taken 5 steps backwards. So they landed at what? Minus 1. Okay. So that is how we do it. And you can see note sign minus and plus becomes minus. Okay. So you can see minus plus signs right here which I have told you about. These one. Yeah. So these turn to minus to find the additive inverse. Then case 2 is what here? Subtraction of two positive integers. Now here we have reversed that number. In here we have plus 4 minus plus 5. Here we have plus 5 minus plus 4. So plus 5 will stay as it is. Minus plus will be minus. And that is equal to what? 5 minus 4. Very simple. We get 1. Now you can even see on the number line. He has moved 5 steps first. He landed at 5. Then taken 4 steps backwards. So he landed at 1. Okay. Then see case 3 here. What is it? Subtraction of two negative integers. So example are minus 5 minus minus 4. Okay, now here it gets a little bit complicated. So you see we have minus 5 written over here and then we have what? Minus minus. What will that give us? Plus. Now in addition we used in subtraction of positive integers minus plus will turn to minus only. But here what happens, minus minus is the same sign. So same signs will turn this second number minus 4 to plus 4, its opposite, and also this minus sign to the plus sign. Okay. So now you see what do we have here, minus 5 plus 4. How did we get that? Plus plus plus. Now you can simply write it because we have addition. So when you are subtracting two negative integers, first you need to bring that to an addition sentence of integers. Now we have minus 5 plus 4. Very easy. They have different signs. Subtract and put the sign of greater number 5. Answer becomes minus 5. Note, signs minus and minus becomes plus. Okay. Now you see here on the number line also we have gone 5 steps back. So we got minus 5. Then we have come 4 steps in the front. So we got minus 1. Now case 4 here. What is it? Let's have a look at this. Yeah. So this is subtraction of positive and negative integers. Now again see example, plus 4 minus minus 5. So what you will do is plus 4 will stay as it is. Now you have two minus signs. So keep this in mind. They have to turn to a plus sign. How? See, both of them are same. So plus. So minus 5 will turn to what? Minus 5 will turn to plus 5, and this minus sign will also change to a plus sign. Now see, plus 4 plus plus 5. So plus 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 4 plus 5, that's 9. So simply we will write the answer 9, and on the number line it has gone 4 steps in the front to get 4, then again 5 steps in the front to get 9. Now we have some questions given here. Question 1. Solve the following by using number line. So we have A1 plus 8 minus plus 6. So I have done these questions on the other page here. So let me quickly scroll up here. So let's see the solutions. Yeah, so the first question you can see is A. So what is this? Plus 8 minus plus 6. Now see, plus 8 will turn to what? We are subtracting two positive integers. So plus 8 will be as it is. Then minus and plus will turn to minus 6. No need to change this minus sign to plus over here. So 8 minus 6 plus 2. So you can see answer is plus 2, and on the number line even you can see here. Let me zoom this much part. Yeah. So this has gone from 0, 8 steps to get what? Positive 8, and then came back 6 steps to get 2 plus 2. You can say, okay. Now let's move on to the B question here. So B question is what? Plus 3 minus plus 5. Okay, as it is, minus plus will be minus, and 3 plus 3 minus 5, that is minus 2. Now when you are subtracting positive integer, as I told you, no need to change minus. On the number line also, it has moved from 0 to 3 plus 3 steps, then came back how many steps? Minus 5. Then which one do we have here? C. Okay. This is minus 7 minus minus 5. Okay. So what we have done over here is, you can see, minus 7 will stay as it is. Now they are two they are two negative integers, and in this case what do we do? Turn the minus signs plus signs. So minus will turn to plus, minus 5 will turn to plus 5, that is 7. So minus 7 plus plus 5, that is both of them have different signs. So what do we do here? Yeah, plus plus plus. So now they have different signs. So yeah, so 7 minus 5, that is what? Minus 2 here. So what do we get in our answer? Minus 2, and we can see on this number line also, moved from 0 to 7 steps, minus 7 steps backwards. So you get 5 steps to get minus 2 in the answer. Okay. Now